I am Keshunder Singh from Automobile Engineering. Today we are discuss on the topic of braking system in vehicles. A brake is a mechanical device in which inhibits motions. Basically, when we applied any force on the moving body, in the against of moving body, slow down on a speed. So this force is called brake. Working of brake. A common misconception about brake is that brakes squeeze against a drum or disc, and the pressure of the squeezing action slows the vehicle down. This is in fact a part of the reason for slowing down a vehicle. Actually, brakes use friction of brake shoes and drums to converting kinetic energy developed by the vehicle into heat energy. When we apply brakes, the pads or shoes that press against the brake drum or rotor convert kinetic energy into thermal energy via friction. Thus, brakes are essential a mechanism to change energy type. Type of brakes: mechanical brakes, drum brakes, disc brake, hydraulic brake, power brake, air hydraulic brake, vacuum brake, and electric brake. First and all, we are discuss on the topic of hydraulic brake. Hydraulic is the use of a liquid under pressure to transfer force or motion or to increase an applied force. The pressure on a liquid is called hydraulic pressure, and the brake which are operated means of hydraulic pressure are called hydraulic brakes. These brakes are based on the principle of Pascal law. Now we are discussing on the law of Pascal. The pressure exerted anywhere in a mass of confined liquid is transmitted undiscriminate in all directions throughout the liquid. Applied in hydraulic lifts, hydraulic brakes, etc. When we applied force uh, at point A, then due to hydraulic pressure, this liquid lift the point B. So this law is given by Pascal. That's why that is called Pascal law. Master cylinder in the hydraulic system. When we press the brake pedal, it pushed on a primary piston through a linkage. Pressure is built in a cylinder and the line as the brake pedal is depressed further. The pressure between the primary and secondary piston force the secondary piston to compress the fuel in its circuit. If the brake are operating properly, the pressure will be same in the both circuit. If there is a leak in one of the circuits, that circuit will not be able to maintain pressure. Advantage of hydraulic brake: first, equal braking effort to all the four wheels, less rate of wear due to absence of joint compared to mechanical brakes, force multiplication by easily just by changing the size of one piston and cylinder relative to other. Disadvantage of hydraulic brakes: when slight leakage of air into the braking system make it unless the brake shoe are liable to get ruined if the brake fluid leak out. Thank you so much.